Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Man Terrorizes Lady Shopping for Food Ends Badly."
Oh my God, I'm done. I'm never gonna have a family again.
Police respond to a Dollar Tree in Florida where a man has just exposed himself to a woman and then began taking pictures of her without her permission.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm assuming you already know. Right.
Okay, so
He has a black scully on. He's standing right to my right.
so tell me what you saw.
His whole, he took it out, jerked it, and had his phone like this. While I'm like this, trying to get something from the top shelf. But as you can see, I'm a little like,
Okay. And you said he's wearing a black scully?
black scully from what I can see, black shirt, white shorts.
So black.
He just went through the house. He was right here.
Okay.
He ran that way.
Which one? Hey man, how you doing?
Yeah, how you
You
doing?
gonna step over here and talk with me?
Yes, sir.
So step over here. Put your hands behind your back for me.
Yeah, you tried to slide out. He had to cut him off. Look, had to cut him off. Hold on, I need you to come talk to me. Hold up.
He just went through the house. He was right here.
Okay.
He ran that way.
Which one?
Okay, let's cut off the distance. Oh, watch out, kids. Watch out. Got a real creep.
Hey man, how you doing?
Hold on.
You gonna step over here and talk with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Step over here. Put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. Don't. Do not move. You understand me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get on your belly now. Yes, sir. Can I call my grandma? Get on your belly.
Can I call my grandma? Wait, what? Man, get him together, man. Get him together.
You gonna step over here and talk with me?
Yes, sir.
So step over here. Put your hands
Can I
behind
call
your
my
back
grandma?
for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. Don't.
These guys don't be having no gloves, man. He just had his meat all in his hand and everything. Oh, man.
Do not move. You understand me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get on your belly now. Yes, sir. Can I call my grandma? Get on your belly now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, your fucking stomach. Wow. Call my girl.
Shut up! Shut your fucking mouth.
Yes, sir. I'm on probation, man. I had to.
All right, be quiet. We'll get to that in a second. You got him?
Oh, man. Fingernails dirty, just had his...
I'm not resisting. My hands right here. Hey, man, could you help me? Could you grab my phone? I'm here, man. Please, I swear to God, I will cooperate. I am cooperating. Could you please? Please?
Wait 1 second.
Yes, sir.
You got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
All right. Took 1 foot this way.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, dude.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Get your pants next time.
I had to use the restroom now.
What are you doing?
My knees hurt. I'm so sorry.
Delete that picture of me on your fucking phone.
I don't have no picture of me. Let's go this way. Where'd you park at? I'm parked? Over there. Huh? I'm parked over there.
Can you call my girlfriend, please?
Spread your feet. Your feet.
Oh my God. Yes, sir. Oh my God, I'm done. I swear to God, I'm going to go to jail. I'm for at least a year, man. I swear to God.
Calm down.
I need help, man.
Calm down.
Just call my lady. That's all I'm asking for.
We'll figure
You
that
got
out.
a lady?
Chill out.
That's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. Please.
You got any ID on you?
No, sir.
No.
Mount Dora 440 Lake.
Go ahead.
You got one detained.
I called him in.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to hold him so I can search him? Yeah, I still got to search him.
Stop fucking moving, dude. You got blood on your arms. We're trying to get...
You need medical?
No, sir. Yeah, I think I need medical. I do. I'm going to fucking jail, man. I'm on probation for...
What?
We got the cuffs on him.
I'm asking for hell. I'm going to fucking Christmas. This is Christmas. They're going to hate me. I'm never going to have a family again. I'm losing my family. I'm losing everything.
Nobody don't like this. Come on, man. He just had his Valvina sausages in his hand, man. He just had his Valvina sausage in his hand, man. Squirting all over the place, man. You know, and you're hearing this information. You're hearing this information as the victim is briefing you on what's going on, and you don't feel the need to get your gloves on or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Because you never know what's going to happen. But who the heck want to be touching up on this guy? Then he bleeding and everything. It's like, dang, nobody don't want to. Come on, man. It's nasty right here. It's nasty, man. Real creep. Then he has a girlfriend. Who the heck would date this weirdo? This guy is weird, man. I'm telling you, who does that? I don't understand it. I don't understand it, man. Real sick.
Come on, knees.
Jensen was charged with resisting without violence as well as exposure of sexual organs. The judge set a bond of $10,000, which he did not make. Apparently, his girlfriend wasn't too happy when she got the call. Jensen was found guilty on both charges and was sentenced to 120 days in county jail.
Okay. 120 days. Not too bad. 120 days. I think he should get more than that. I mean, he's, you know, honestly, he should sit for at least a year. At least a year. I mean, you already on probation, and then you out there doing the weirdo crimes, man. That's the thing. People do weird crimes, you know what I'm saying? They do the grapes and all of these and everything, all these weirdo XXX crimes. People don't be getting no time for them. And I just be sitting here like, damn, it makes no sense. You see it all the time. People doing these real sicko crimes, and they don't get nothing. Slap on the wrist. Slap on the wrist. But if you have somebody, you know, getting caught with, well, not too much nowadays, but before it used to be, you know, getting caught with, you know, some marijuana or something, you know, these guys they doing years. And you'd be like, come on, man. Like, what? This ain't hurting nobody, man. You know, you see that stuff all the time, you know, and now fast forward, those things is legal. You know, certain places is legal now, but people are still serving big time for those types of for those marijuana crimes, you know what I mean? But these real sick freaks, man, they need to just be, come on, guys, let's get the firing squad. You know, that's the only thing that could fix these sickos. I'm telling you, that's about it. But anyways, yeah, you know, I get an officer 4 out of 5. The only complaint, gotta put them gloves on, man. Gotta put them gloves on, man. You know, this guy just busting on himself in the store and all that. Like, come on, man. It's just, nah, it's crazy. They ain't gonna tell the lady, I had to use the bathroom, ma'am. Like, sick, man. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.